You've seen monster trucks. You've heard the roar of powerful engines. But have you ever seen a truck with two engines mounted in the front? Today, we'll show you an incredible story. A truck that breaks all the rules, doubles the power, and turns heads wherever it goes. This is the twin-engine monster, an engineering marvel like no other. This monster truck began with a dream, the dream of engineer and truck enthusiast Mike Dawson. His idea was simple. If one engine isn't enough, why not install two? After months of hard work, two V8 engines were mounted side by side on a reinforced chassis. A custom transmission system linked both engines to a single drivetrain. The result was a beast capable of producing over 1,000 horsepower, with oversized tires, heavy-duty suspension, and a monster exhaust system. This truck became fast, powerful, and one of a kind. The twin-engine monster's performance left people speechless. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. It excelled at towing heavy loads and dominated both drag races and off-road events. The dual-engine setup delivered balanced torque, and the flames shooting from its exhaust thrilled onlookers. Whether climbing steep hills or burning rubber on asphalt, this monster never disappointed. This wasn't just a mechanical marvel, it became a legend. At truck festivals and car shows, it was always the centerpiece. People were captivated by its design, two massive engines like the jaws of a giant. Mike Dawson's creation symbolized passion, creativity, and breaking boundaries. Today, this truck still lives on and is counted among the world's most unique custom trucks. You enjoyed the story of the twin-engine monster? Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back soon with more amazing machine stories. Until then, keep rolling and keep dreaming.